Brand new home ready to move right in. You'll find a spacious open floor plan with plenty of room in the great room. Nice size dining room combo. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2-1/2 baths and a very large family room or den office. You'll find hardwood flooring in the entrance, kitchen and dining room. Granite countertops throughout. Spacious master bedroom and master bath. The master bath has double sinks with large vanity, garden tub and separate shower. Nice size backyard for relaxing or entertaining. The home is 2884 square foot. On .21 acres with a car tandem garage.